Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the Selenium. So, is that we will discuss about what is Selenium. Selenium supports platforms. So, it's different platforms like operating systems, or we'll discuss about the browsers and different programming languages and supports different applications. And we'll discuss about advantages and disadvantages of Selenium and what type of test cases we can automate. We'll discuss that one also. So what is Selenium? So Selenium is nothing but it is a free and open source web application automation tool, or we can say it is a functional testing web application automation tool. It is a kind of API or the library which is present, means freely available in the market. Directly we can download these particular APIs and we can use that APIs. We'll get this particular API in the form of the jar file and we can download it and we can use it for our automation purpose. This Selenium is used for to automate our web applications. Okay, then why this is free? Because without purchasing any license we can use it for our commercial purpose, and we can say it is an open source also, because from the internet we can download and we can customize the source code, and as per our requirement we can use the particular Selenium. And it is a web application automation tool, because with the help of the Selenium we can test our web applications only. We cannot automate the desktop applications or other application like the client server application. And we'll check the different versions. That is, in 2011 the version 2.0 released, and in 2016 the 3.0 version released, and right now the stable version of the Selenium is that 3.141. And in 2020 that 4.0 version also released, that is the beta version release. It is not stable, still the work is going on that particular version. So Selenium supporting platforms, we'll discuss about this one. So different operating system, it's supporting the different operating systems like Windows operating system or the Linux operating system. On Linux operating system also we can write the Selenium code and we can execute or we can automate our web application. And Mac operating system and iOS and Android, everything, any platform we can automate our web application. Okay, and the browser that it supports the Chrome browser, we can execute our applications in Chrome browser and Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer, Opera browser, Safari browser, etc. And the programming languages it supports like Java, C#, Python, PHP, Ruby, JavaScript, Perl, Object-C, Dart, etc. All these programming languages supported by the Selenium. Then the applications, we can automate the web applications, and we can integrate with APM and Cell and Draw for the mobile automation also. And the different flavors, there are 4 flavors of the Selenium, that Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. So advantages of the Selenium is that it is a free and open source. So freely we can download it from the internet and we can use it for our commercial purpose. And it supports the different various operating systems, and it supports various web browsers, and we can execute about 1,000 of test cases simultaneously or parallelly with the help of the grid, and it uses the less hardware resources, and it supports the various programming languages. We can create 1,000 of test cases and we can execute in a single command. And it supports Jenkins like CI2, provide the Selenium plugins to integrate and run automatically at required time, and it is tester friendly also. Selenium only supports web based applications and it doesn't support the Windows based applications, and it is very difficult to test the image based applications also. This is one disadvantage. And Selenium needs outside supports for report generation, like report we can generate with the help of the testng or with the help of extend report. Selenium doesn't provide any built-in IDE for the writing the scripts, and it need other IDE like Eclipse for writing scripts. Selenium scripts creation time is a bit high, and Selenium doesn't support file upload facility. Selenium partially supports for dialog boxes. And we can check what type of test cases we can automate. We can automate like smoke test, sanity testing, integration testing, regression testing, cross-browser testing, responsive testing, and acceptance testing also we can do, or we can automate. And is 100% automation is possible? No, there is no tool to test 100% automation. 100% automation is not possible for 3D games or the audio or the video clips or the captcha or biometrics or the barcodes, scanners or payment through credit cards or the OTP testing, manual interaction is required. So 100% automation is not possible. So thank you so much for your support.